Hi guys, welcome to Coding World. In this video we will try to do this the frequency of a digits in a number. So I'll explain you what the term is. So let us define a number 12121212. So the frequency of 1 is 4, right? Yeah, and 2 is 4. So this is what we are trying to solve with this problem. So let us define a function. Define as count. We will take argument number, and we can't iterate through a number, so we will make this number as a string str of number. And so we have got the string, so we'll iterate through the string for element in num1 if element. Okay, we'll define frequency equal to empty dictionary in frequency. So frequency of int of element plus equals to 1, and it would be also int of element, and if else frequency of int of element equals to 1. So I think we are good to go. So let us return frequency. We will comment this problem, and so we will print count of num, right? Yeah, so we'll hit save and open the terminal. Okay, we'll try python test.py. See, 1 has been repeated 4 times and 2 is repeated 4 times, so this is the frequency of 1 and frequency of 2. We'll try to do with another numbers also. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Hit save. Yeah, see, every number is repeating twice. So this is the program how we can do the frequency of a digits in number. So hope you liked this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.